1A audit, 2A audit, 1A audit, 2A audit. Open carry audits, guys. Open carry, conceal carry. Stay with us. Cops on the way. Open carry, conceal carry. Hit that like tab. Hit that subscribe tab. 1A audit, 2A audit, guys. I told you they'd show up. 1A audit, 2A audit. Stay with us. Hit that like, hit that subscribe tab for police accountability, civil rights education YouTube video. If you like those First Amendment audits, hit that like tab. Here at Freedom News Now, we're out here on the front lines holding these activist judges accountable like never before. What a great time to be alive. Never better time than now to get out and exercise your First Amendment rights. Those 1A audits, 2A audits. 1A audit, 2A audit, 1A audit, 2A audit. Open carry audits, guys. Open carry, conceal carry. Stay with us. Cops on the way. Open carry, conceal carry. Hit that like tab. Hit that subscribe tab. We'll go move in on them, get a closer look. Get a closer view. Keep a good eye on these judges. Make sure we hold them accountable. Over here you got the bail bondsman. This is the bail bondsman's office. Need a bail bondsman. Right across from the courthouse here. You see all the construction going on. A lot of construction going on right now. A lot of construction. Stay with us. Keeping an eye on this courthouse in Jackson, Michigan today. Word on the street is they're pushing DEI hires, DEI over merit. We're here to find out. Public sidewalk, public right to record, our First Amendment audit playground. Stay with us. Hit that like, hit that subscribe tab. You see it's all under construction. This is the main main entrance, public entrance, and it's all under construction. All under construction. And the sheriff, deputy vehicle. One-A audit, two-A audit, guys. I told you they'd show up. One-A audit, two-A audit. Stay with us. DEI hires, they don't want none. The Freedom News Now, DEI hires. Got the deputies looking out. The courthouse deputies, they're looking. We got their attention. They're looking. Got the word out. 1A audit, 2A audit. Stay with us. We haven't even started our Fourth Amendment audit yet. Masking up. One-A audit, two-A audit. We haven't even started our Fourth Amendment audit yet. Masking up. Stay with us. We exercise all those rights here at Freedom News Now. Every one of them. You better believe it here at Freedom News Now. At the see here, restricted access, authorized personnel only. This is where all the judges and prosecutors and administrators and high-ranking officials, where they park all their vehicles so they can feel safe behind their big fence, all their official signs. I don't see any codes on those signs. We hold them all accountable here at Freedom News Now. They got their nice new camera up there. Brand new camera. They better never say anything about our camera out here. They've got cameras all around those buildings that the taxpayers are paying for. We've got our own cameras that we're paying for. Comes a Blackman Leone unit. Must have went down to the jail. You can see here all this construction that's going on right now. It's all under construction. You got the main entrance. Those of you coming up here to the Jackson County Courthouse. Those of you that they're taking your freedom, taking your money. All you American taxpayers, this is where you go in at. We're not rounding up the illegals and bringing them in here. The judges put the stand down orders on the police to focus all their efforts on arresting the American citizen. Put the stand down order on arresting illegals, these activist judges, these traitor judges. Don't forget to like and subscribe for police accountability, civil rights education YouTube videos. And I'll see you on the next one.